Can you hear it? The song of life as sung by the forest. Can you feel it? The sweet fragrant smells of the forest. Now, the smells and songs of the forest. Phytoncide is coming near you. Qwell is the household name of Phytoncide, nature's gift. Phytoncide is a natural antibacterial agent created by plants and trees of the forest to protect themselves from unwanted parasites and other pests. Phytoncide has been found to reduce stress and other illnesses common to modern man, promising a happier and healthier life. Phytoncide is composed of over 80 natural substances, and one of its components, terpene, is responsible for lowering the stress hormone cortisol, which thereby increases the activity of the NK white blood cells and eliminates stress, helping us feel refreshed and clear-headed. The NK white blood cells, also known as natural killer cells, then circulate throughout the body with red blood cells to help improve bodily functions. Another reason why Phytoncide is being hailed as a gift from nature is how Phytoncide affects our bodies once it's absorbed, much like when we're in a forest. The NK cells become highly active and increase our immunities to fight cancerous cells. So what exactly are NK cells? In our bodies, we have three types of white blood cells: the T cells, the B cells, and the NK cells. T cells and B cells are unable to fend off cancer cells at their initial stages. The reason is because it takes quite a bit of time before it can recognize cancerous antigens. However, the NK cells, also known as natural killer cells, attack the cancerous cells without identifying the special antigens first. In another study conducted in Japan, results have shown that a simple stroll through the forest can increase NK cell count as well as increase their activity. The devastations of modern illnesses. Atopic dermatitis is on the rise worldwide, and studies show that around 30% of the population are afflicted with this illness. Atopic dermatitis can cause a lot of problems for everyone, both mentally and physically, and recent trends suggest that symptoms among the young and old are no longer uncommon and on the rise. A leading cause of atopic dermatitis comes from dust mites found at home. Simply by spraying the cypress-derived phytoncides onto the mites. Studies have shown that the chemical killed and prevented mites from growing. Research has shown that phytoncides can help improve memory function in test takers. The information that humans see and hear is stored in a part of the brain called the hippocampus. In students under great stress, the stress hormone cortisol is secreted in large quantities. Cortisol attacks the hippocampus, causing a significant reduction in memory function. Phytoncides serve to protect the hippocampus by removing this cortisol. A healthy hippocampus improves test takers' memory function and concentration. The forest, a general hospital run by Mother Nature, and Phytoncide, an amazing cure found within trees. The miraculous story found only in nature is being retold to us through Qwell. With the technology to extract large quantities and quality-ensured Phytoncide from cypress trees growing year-round throughout the mountain ranges of Korea, Qwell has since grown into an environmentally friendly company as a manufacturer of various Phytoncide products. A green dream where man and nature coexist, and the center of all this is Qwell. Qwell Incorporated. Qwell is nature's greatest gift to mankind, and has been dreaming of a healthy world. Created through Phytoncides, the world's first air purifier that uses a water filtration system to remove microdust from the air while simultaneously reducing phytoncide agents into the atmosphere. And Forrest. Forrest air purifier for students and office workers, NF500. Forrest air purifier for home use, NF100. Qwell's air purifiers will be sure to create a forest around you wherever you go. Qwell's air purifiers will also increase the NK cell activities of you and your family and will help fend off cancers while improving immunity.
심할 때는 코가 허를 때도 있을 정도니까요. 제가 20년 동안 비염으로 고생을 했는데 지금은 많이 좋아졌어요. 요즘은 약을 안 먹고도 지낼 수 있을 정도가 됐습니다.
30년 동안 그런 증상이 있었고요. 사람을 만났을 때 콧물 나오는 거, 대화 도중에 재채기가 흐르는 거, 이거는 쓰니까 바로 그 다음 날부터 확 느끼겠더라고요.
The spray is perfect to keep at home or on the go for those moments you need to treat your lungs and skin to the effects of being in a forest. Will clear the mouth of any bad breath and prevent periodontitis, leaving a clean, fresh feeling behind.
잇몸 질환은 치과에 가도 금방 치료되는 게 아니잖아요. 피톤치드 치약을 쓴 후에는 염증도 통증도 거짓말처럼 다 나았어요.
Feel the freshness of the forest as you cleanse your skin. This plant-derived all-natural soap will cleanse away all the troubles such as oily skin problems and even acne. For those suffering from dry skin, sensitive skin, as well as atopic dermatitis, we have the Atone series, suitable for both children and the elderly alike as their treatment of atopic dermatitis. The fountain of life as given by nature. A miracle of the forest. Phytoncides. A corporation with man and nature both in mind. A world filled with green energies, restoring vigor into our lifestyles. This is the world that Qwell dreams of.